In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, we've seen some groundbreaking advancements, but nothing quite like what's been recently unleashed by ByteDance, the tech giant behind TikTok. If you thought DeepMind's GPT-4 and Claude were already pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, get ready for a game changer that takes autonomy, usability, and sheer intelligence to a whole new level. Enter ByteDance's, an AI so sophisticated that it not only handles tasks across desktops and mobiles, but can take over your entire computer and do it better than the competition. Yes, you read that right. ByteDance, a new player on the AI block. ByteDance is the brainchild of ByteDance, and it is setting new standards that are bound to make even the most seasoned AI enthusiasts raise an eyebrow. The AI is far beyond being just another chatbot. In fact, it's an autonomous AI agent designed to work across multiple platforms, be it PC, Mac, or mobile devices, and tackle complex workflows with minimal human intervention. You could think of it as the next generation assistant that doesn't just take notes, but handles the entire task without asking, "What should I do next?" So, how is it different from AI models like GPT-4, Claude, or Google's Gemini? For starters, these models excel in natural language processing, NLP, but they're limited when it comes to performing actions in real-world environments. They're like that one person who can explain how to do something perfectly, but refuses to lift a finger themselves. ByteDance, however, doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. What makes ByteDance stand out? Here's where things get really interesting. Unlike other AI systems that rely heavily on text-based inputs and can only give you instructions, seriously, who needs another Google search result? ByteDance takes it a step further with multimodal inputs. It can read and interpret images, interactions, and even spatial layouts of graphical user interfaces, GUIs, which gives it a huge edge over competitors. This means it can seamlessly navigate your desktop, apps, and websites, completing tasks with precision and ease. Let's take a look at how ByteDance operates in the real world. Say you need to book a round-trip flight from Seattle to New York. Most AI models would just hand you a list of links, leaving you to fill in the details. But ByteDance, it gets to work instantly, going to the airline's website, filling in your details, choosing dates, and even sorting results by price, all while showing you the reasoning behind each step in real time. That's right, ByteDance doesn't just do things, it makes sure you understand why it does them. Talk about transparency. The secret sauce, understanding GUIs like a pro. ByteDance has mastered the art of interacting with graphical user interfaces, which is something other AI models really struggle with. While GPT-4 or Claude might give you brilliant text-based results, they don't have the capability to directly interact with software, apps, or websites. This means they can't perform multi-step tasks that require navigating real-world environments, like booking flights or installing software. ByteDance, on the other hand, is like that super efficient intern who knows exactly what needs to be done and does it without bothering you for every small decision. If you need it to install a plugin in Visual Studio Code, it doesn't just give you instructions on how to do it. ByteDance opens the application, searches for the extension, installs it, and handles any errors that pop up, retrying as necessary. It's as close as you can get to an AI that actually thinks and adapts in real time. The numbers don't lie. You might be wondering if all of this sounds too good to be true. Well, the numbers back it up. ByteDance has been tested rigorously across multiple benchmarks, and the results have been nothing short of impressive. On the Visual Web Bench, a benchmark that evaluates AI's ability to recognize and interact with web elements, UiTars scored a solid 82.8%. For comparison, GPT-4 only scored 78.5%, and Claude wasn't far behind at 78.2%. But that's just the start. UiTars also scored a stunning 93.6% on the Web SRC benchmark, a test that measures an AI's ability to understand the structure and content of websites. This made UiTars outperform every other AI model, including the big players like GPT-4 and Claude. What's even more impressive is its ability to operate seamlessly across both desktop and mobile platforms. When tested on mobile-specific benchmarks, UiTars came out on top, leaving competitors in the dust. It's clear that ByteDance is pushing the limits of what AI can do, and UiTars is setting a new benchmark for what autonomous AI agents should be. How UiTars works, the magic behind the curtain. Now that we know how impressive the results are, let's dig a little deeper into the mechanics of UiTars. So, what's the secret behind this AI's ability to understand GUIs and perform tasks with precision? Well, the answer lies in its training process. UiTars was trained on a massive dataset consisting of screenshots of various applications, websites, and interfaces. These images were annotated with metadata like descriptions of elements, spatial layouts, and visual cues, allowing UiTars to learn not just what's on the screen, but also how to interact with it. This training method is a game changer because it enables UiTars to understand the spatial relationships between different elements on a screen, something most other AI models can't do. One of the coolest features of UiTars is its state transition captioning. Imagine you click a button and a new page loads. UiTars doesn't just recognize the change, it describes the transition, explaining what happened and ensuring it stays on track. It also uses setMark prompting to guide itself through cluttered GUIs, marking specific areas to navigate through them effectively. This makes UiTars incredibly precise and capable of handling even the most complex interfaces. Real-world applications, how UiTars could change everything. While all this technical talk sounds impressive, you're probably wondering how this AI could actually be useful in your daily life. Well, imagine automating complex workflows that usually require hours of your attention. Professionals across industries, from e-commerce and software development to customer service, could see a massive productivity boost with UiTars taking over repetitive tasks. In e-commerce, for instance, UiTars could handle everything from product uploads and inventory management to responding to customer service tickets, all without human intervention. Similarly, in coding, UiTars could automate debugging, manage environments, and even install necessary extensions. It's like having an AI that lives in your computer, working tirelessly while you focus on more important tasks. In customer service, UiTars could completely transform how we resolve issues. By autonomously navigating complex GUIs, it could help customers solve technical issues, guide them through tricky processes, and even manage live interactions without a human in sight. Think of the time saved and the errors avoided. Going beyond ByteDance, the future of UiTars. The potential of UiTars doesn't stop with ByteDance. With its versatility, precision, and autonomous capabilities, this AI could soon be found in all sorts of industries, from marketing and data analytics to design and beyond. It could be used to automate everything from generating reports to conducting market research in real time, all while pulling and organizing data effortlessly. But what really excites experts is the possibility of UiTars integrating into ByteDance's ecosystem. Could we see it powering features on platforms like TikTok? Imagine an AI that can optimize content delivery or even automate the creative process. This kind of seamless AI integration could completely revolutionize the way users interact with platforms, making them more intuitive and efficient than ever before. The future of AI, a world where AI agents evolve. What's most exciting about UiTARS is its potential for continuous improvement. Unlike other AI models, which require frequent retraining, UiTARS is designed to learn from its real-world interactions. It can refine its strategies over time, becoming smarter and more efficient with each task it completes. This type of lifelong learning could change the way we think about AI. Imagine a world where your AI assistant isn't just a tool, but a partner that adapts to your needs and learns from its past mistakes. Now, that's the future we're talking about. Well, there you have it. UiTARS is the future, and it's already making the rest of the AI world look like it's stuck in dial-up mode. If you're ready to let AI take over your tasks, drop a like. Make sure to subscribe, because trust me, you won't want to miss out on the next tech revolution. And hey, maybe your AI will even remind you to hit that bell. Catch you next time, where the robots might be running the show.